potato choka, or what they say, aloo choka. And basically, we have peeled and diced 3 yukon potato. It's important that I stress yukon potato because yukon potato is actually very fleshy and yellow and smooth and very tasty. Along with that, we have our ingredients that we will use after this is boiled. The potato is boiled and smashed. So we have aji salt, we have onions, green onions, some celery, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some butter. And when the potatoes finish boiling, we pour it out, we mashed it, and then we will use some oil and we will saute all of these ingredients in it before pouring it back into the potato. So here we go. So water is hot and we are going to pour the potato into the pot very slowly. So your potatoes all in. It takes about maybe 5 minutes. At 5 minutes point you can check it to see if it's all cooked through. At this time you can add just a little pinch of salt and we'll allow that to boil for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's not ready, it's very hard, so we will actually leave it on back for probably about 7 minutes more because it's not cooked. So we are at the 12-minute mark. Potatoes are all ready. Time to pour it out. And we're going to add our butter to the mash. Okay. And then next we are going to saute the rest of the stuff. And we are going to add it into our aloo choka. Drizzle the pan with some oil. So we have to get all the onions, the wiri pepper, the scallions or the shallots or green onions, and celery. And let that saute up a bit. We also have here 1 small wiri pepper, or you can use a small Scotch bonnet, whichever one works for your taste bud. That's fine. We're going to add 2 little pieces of celery chopped. We have our green onions. Some people say scallions, some people say shallow. Nice smell. Nice poured into the mixture. And you're going to add your salt and your aji. Going to just add some salt and some aji to taste. Again, salt and aji is to your taste bud. Because we had put some salt when we boiled the potatoes, I am using less. And aji again is to your taste bud. It's to your what you appreciate tasting. See the difference with the yukon potato? Everything is so smooth and nicely put together. If you use the white potato, they actually don't give you this very smooth effect. It kind of left a little bit more lumpy. So there you have it. This is a fast, simple 12 minutes mashed potato aloo choka or potato choka, whichever one you want to call it.